manok sa bahay, nasasakyan.
May manok ba sa bahay?
Yung manok sa naalaga sa bahay, nasasakyan.
His dream house?
Hindi.
His dream house.
Hindi mo pa alam ang manok.
Hindi, alam ko, pero...
Ay, Kenong!
Di ba hindi siya nasasakyan? Hindi.
Nasasakyan Kenong! Sabi mo kaya Timay, nasasakyan yung manok!
Hindi. Sobrang liit.
Nasasakyan nyo naman sa atin nung unang panahon.
Yes, yes.
Hindi, di ba? Kasi sobrang liit.
Timay!
Ay! Oo.
Kasi dati ng dinosaurs, malaki pa yun.
Malaki yung dinosaur.
Maliit lang siya ng paliit. Hanggang ngayon, pagkain lang.
Dati isis yung ano mga yung itis-itis. Nilipad yun.
Ba't umiit?
Siguro wala
pa yung mga,
nang pagkain. Kasi marami ng tao.
Kubit.
Those weird kisses, you know how you can't eat chicken on New Year's? Or
What?
New Year's or whatever?
What? How?
Tanongin mo
Hindi
si
ko
Kuya
alam
mo
kumain ng manok.
You can't eat chicken, di ba?
Bakit?
Because back in the day, it used to be very, very like
Respected animal.
respected animal. The chicken was everything. You could use it for almost everything, fighting and eating and.
Kaya everything tastes like chicken.
Yeah.
Kasi of all the animals, siya dati yung pinaka.
Hindi pa pwede kainin sa New Year's? Dati?
Dito din. Hanggang ngayon, sabi sa New Year's, huwag kakain ng itlog, manok. Diba?
Bakit tubig yung...
Hindi.
Before kisses, they actually used, no joke, they used to use it for fighting, for like war.
World War One.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you know the
manok na.
minefields? The minefields in, because for example, if we're in France, the Allies were invading France to get it back for
What we're doing
Germany.
is bad.
What? This is true, in the
Oatmeal at
minefields.
night.
They would run a chicken straight, because they run straight, they release it and make it run straight.
They ride the chicken.
I can't ride the chicken.
They ride chicken.
Nico!
That's Nico.
That's
Oh,
what
no,
we've been discussing.
Oh, di ba?
Chicken
No, but they
Alam
also-
mo si
ridden.
Edward yung...
Meron!
Alam
White
niyo na
horses.
Edward.
Oh, tama.
Tanongin mo si Kuya Makoy, kakagising lang. Kuya Makoy!
Gising lang.
Kakagising lang, tanongin mo.
If the
Kawawa naman
chicken
siya.
made it across the minefield in a straight line, then the soldiers knew they could walk down there as well. Because if it stepped on a mine, it would go poof.
Ah, it's nice. It's a
And
good
they also
idea.
use it
Tubig.
for medicine.
Oh, but poor chicken.
Transport.
It will be roasted chicken. if there's a mine, and then it's roasted
Sarap ng
chicken.
bagoong.
Kainin na lang.
Kaya naman ako.
I like chicken.
Kanina pa ako kaya ka.
What's
Hindi
the
natin
difference between a chicken and the rooster?
Tataba.
I don't know.
Una magpat.
Roosters have like this.
Hindi pa
Same
nakain eh.
Hindi, Ate May, siguro,
Same taste?
tataba ka, Ate May, siguro pag may ano ka na.
Maybe the rooster is
Ate May,
more tough when you eat it.
may pamilya. Ate May,
Maging maganda ni
I like chicken.
Yeah.
may pamilya ka na sigurado.
Uy, simbak ko.
Ano yung mga layo nyo eh? Sabi niya, ate, ano?
Kaya nga. Pero,
Ang dami pinagsasabi ni Kuya
Nico.
Nok.
pero gusto ko
Hindi
rin.
maniwala kay Kuya Nong!
Pero gusto ko pa rin tumaba. Ngayong bata pa.
Hindi, ganun.
Hindi talaga totoo yung pwede mag-gitara yung manok.
Di ma, search mo sa YouTube. May gitara yung manok. Oo! Tanungin mo siya. Kuya Makoy, kakahiling. Kuya Makoy! Sa YouTube.
Si Makoy, hindi nagsisinungaling.
Kuya Makoy,
Hindi, tingnan mo si Kuya Makoy.
kakagising
Ay,
lang.
good boy.
Singkit yan.
Kakagising lang.
The good guy. Si Kuya Makoy.
Tanungin mo si Kuya
Yun ang
Makoy.
narinig ko, pero nung
Sabi niya ni
nakita ko
Kuya,
siyang
ano yun?
sumayaw, mukhang bad boy siya. So, ayun, hindi na namin alam kung sino paniniwalaan.
Cute ni Kuya Makoy.
Hoy! Covering
Search
his
mo,
face.
paglakas mo, search mo yung manok, kumikita ka.
Talaga, ipapakita ko
He
talaga
knows.
sa'yo na tama ako.
Ano mo,
He
ano
knows
kid?
what's going on. You guys are doing something bad.
Kapanipaniwala kayo, ha? Gusto mo oatmeal?
Kumikita.
That's how you know you're doing
May
something
backup,
bad.
ano ba yun?
Nagkaawa.
Like out of everyone's control.
Tapos
I know.
yung gamit niya sa court yung...
So I realized everyone's lying.
Eh,
Everyone's a
paano yan?
liar.
Tatlo lang yung gamit.
Hindi naman yung malaking gito. Yung sa...
Sablaya and my
Ukulele.
oatmeal. I told myself to do it. Because I don't like Milo
Eat
and
na
I
yun.
don't like oatmeal. But I'm hungry.
8 na ba?
Didn't try it.
Bye-bye.
Milo.
Peace na ako.
It's okay.
Nangyari.
Ala! 8 man.
Kaya ngayon, ay pag ano mo, ano ka ng manok, mag-alaga, tapos pagbantay mo sa bahay nyo. Ano?
Kakanta bigla.
Alisin mo yan, oh. Bakahin mo na. Tawagin ka man yun. Yung manok.
Ay, oo, totoo!
Ises, pag magpalengke ka, dalhin mo yung manok, sakyan mo.
How long? How long it...
Hindi mabubuhay habang buhay.
Timay,
So scary!
Habang buhay.
kahit daw patay.
Ano sumasayaw ko? Hindi na iniwala.
Walang head.
Matiwala. Na.
It's scary kasi... Kumbaga, i-cut off na, tapos gumaganon.
Wala lang sila paningin, parang klaseng lang ganun.
It doesn't go
Kaya,
It doesn't...
ulo. But it still runs around.
But it's like... Dizzy.
Bay, hindi sa ba yun?
How can it be easy with no head?
Ay, yeah. The neck... it
May egg
doesn't
pa ba?
move. The neck doesn't move.
pero gusto mo? Itlog?
Hey, when you cut the head off, it
Bilis.
rolls on the floor. That's why it's dizzy.
Instog ko na.
Because it
Kasi
feels
flat.
it pa eh.
It can fly.
Di naman.
Chickens can't fly.
No!
Huh?
Chickens can fly. They're too heavy.
Only
They're-
short,
Yeah, only like little
short distances.
short
They can
distances.
fly from there to there. They always fly, but they don't fly far.
They can fly from like this end of the room to that end of the room, maybe.
Oh, cute.
It's like hopping.
What if their head is cut off na? They can still fly? And then they might hit a wall and...
And you get stuck.
Oh. What if it hits a wall and then he can't go anywhere because it can't see anything? Poor
Malas
chicken.
yun. Ah,
Kaya mag-alaga ka ng manok, Ises.
guard or dwarf?
Hoy! Kakatakot naman matan yan, oh. Di pa namin nakita yan.
Ganun siya.
Punong-punong sikreto.
Ano?
Galit. Huwag ka naman magalit, nakakatakot.
Gamit tumingin siya.
Ano naman akong ginawa?
Kain mo.
Siguro.
Kain mo.
There he goes.
Kaya,
again.
Ises, sabihin mo yung tatay mo. Mag-alaga ng manok.
That's his thing. That's
Tapos
his
parang bibili ka
charm.
ng...
What?
Punta ka ng palengke.
It's just
sakyan
the
mo ng
thing.
manok.
Everybody has their own appeal.
Paglabas ko
That's
talaga
Mookie's
yung...
thing.
I-search mo yung gumigitara yung manok.
Kanina pa
Nagtatanggol
ito.
kita.
I guess if I do that,
Kanina
man,
lang
that's
kayo.
too
Manok
bad.
pa rin.
I can't do that.
Kami mag-chicken.
Talaga
Kaya
just
alam mo
there.
ba,
For you,
kapag
he
payat
has his
ka,
own, you have to find your own.
pinanganak kang manok.
It's like happy feet. You can't copy
Yung mga ano mo, yung mga relatives mo manok. Tapos kung mataba daw, relatives mo mga baboy. Totoo yun.
found it. It's so bogey.
Kaya ako sakto lang, oh.
No,
Manok.
And
manok.
everybody knows
Yung
it.
manok na kulay puti, ba?
It's okay. I will let you.
Sa'yo. Ano sa'yo?
I'm not picking up any chicks anytime soon.
Manok na busog.
Manok na busog.
Hungry.
Butcher the...
Chicken correctly. When you cook it, it's moving still.
The meat?
Kaya kailangan gawin extra crispy.
Scary, what if you eat it nun?
Still moves. You know, like when you do octopus, cook octopus, it still like
Delicacy yan.
moves around.
No, and frogs' legs, if you put salt on it,
But
it starts
ano,
shaking.
octopus nga yung di ganun, tas 8 na ano.
Uh-uh.
Pero when you
Masayaw.
like cut it or eat it or something, the tentacles will like move up.
Kuya,
So
when
how
you...
do you make
Kuya.
it not move na kuya?
Salt,
Kuya.
Salt
So?
will like calm it.
And then
Uh-oh.
what happens?
It stops the nerves from. Same with frogs' legs. If you put salt on the, because frogs'
I'm
like it
starting
stays
to
still.
fall for this stuff.
You put salt on
That's
it,
true though.
and
I
then
know,
it will
but
start
it-
going like
Pepper.
that.
Borders, they're hard to
Salt.
cross. You can't tell what's true and what's a lie.
Why do you know those things?
Cause they eat it.
Yeah, octopus is healthy. It's good seafood.
I wanna see
sarili.
it. Kaso I'm scared it might like that way.
ganun
And then-
yun?
Wait, if you like pour water.
Kayari. Iba talaga
It
yung...
will like, it will like. Wait,
Labas.
give me your hand, Ken.
Like this is the arm, right? This is,
Kaya.
it's like a bracelet.
So what now? When you're
Pour salt on it.
Pour salt in it.
go away.
Kain mo. Kain ka na.
Kalit ba?
This is like the salt is like in the salt.
Luto ka ng itlog.
So it reminds
Itlog na lang kuya, lutuan kita.
Wala nang bit. Wala nang laman. Sabaw na lang. Tubig na lang ako.
It won't go away.
it will
Ano? Tubig.
after a long time. But you will have like the suction cup thingies.
Kuya, oh.
What do you do with it? You can like that. Is it?
You can, like sometimes it's cooked already.
Kuya, gusto mo itlog? Kain ni ate.
Kumain na kami. Ay kayo ulit.
Kain kayo ulit. At to, pang ano ko na to, pang apat siguro.
Intimay mo yung ano yung kinakain
Ito,
niyo.
sobrang gutom ko.
Kakain ka ba?
Yung may mga
Kakain ka ba?
octopus na may mga
Baka kung gutom.
Pag kumain ka, makakain ako. Sabaw lang.
Kasi marami pa naman to. Kain pa ako.
Spider-Man.
Lutuan na lang kita, kuya.
Ako na itlog.
Sa inyo man yan. Sa kay Ate Elise. Wala nang ano dyan. Ano nakuha dyan? Masayang. Masayang yan.
Okay na sa akin ito.
Kakagising mo lang siya.
May
Tsaka di naman,
bagoong. Kumakain ka.
di naman nag-itlog sa telis.
Sa'yo na lang. Sayang.
Nakain tayo.
Itlog.
Gusto mo, no?
Hindi. Gusto kong magluto.
Meron pa.
Kasi nagtataya, nag-ano
you.
ko, gusto kong mag-expert ng
Meron
itlog.
pa. Ay. Sige.
Sige pa. Ano sa'yo, kuya? Luto
ganun mo
yung
lang,
ano?
oh.
Yung yellow.
Sige, gawin mo nga ano. Hindi. Yung basa. Tapos, gawin mo
Sige.
Ano?
Yung basa, no?
Ano? Tingnan natin kung ano yung basa.
Basad? O,
Basa.
basa.
Manok.
Yung normal lang.
Yes, ma. I-search mo yun, Kisses. I-search mo. Search mo yun.
Hindi na talaga totoo yung nagigitara.
La! I-search mo nga! I-search mo!
Oo, talaga.
Ano sa...
Talaga.
They're trained, they're smart.
You know,
Hindi na ba yan sila ba?
there are dogs that can play the piano. No joke. There are monkeys.
Chicken. Sabi ko sa...
Ukulele na may guitar.
Maliit na gitara lang. Hindi naman
Tiny
malaki.
brain.
Sabihin mo si Kuya, makoy ka kang singkang.
They step on the guitar.
Nararamdaman yung music.
Use their feet.
That's what they have claws. It's good for plucking.
Plucking.
Kasi may...
But syempre,
Yung gumigitara, tao yung kumakanta, yung ano, yung amo.
Yung, tama. Hindi naman yung manok yung
Hindi naman manok
kumakagat.
yung
That would be crazy. That's crazy.
What?
Hanggang gitara lang.
Yung gitara
Like the
lang.
chicken can't sing. That would be crazy.
Di ba totoo yan?
Hindi
Hindi
nga
nga.
sing.
No, ba? Ipa-search ko sa kanya.
Chicken can't
Sa
sing.
balita,
Oo nga, measure na rin.
can you imagine that? What if the chicken goes on acid?
Monkey wouldn't lie.
Ipa-search ko sa kanya sa YouTube.
Totoo ka, di ba? Totoo.
Oo,
There are
They
chicken
play
that
the
can
guitar,
play the
pero
drums.
walang kantar.
May nakita ka no?
Like they can play in dang 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 dang.
Hindi, yung nasa Mexico magaling.
Oo,
Oo. Yeah, the
Mexico.
oh my
Oo, Mexico. Aling nun, pinag-contest pa yun ba? May contest pa sila.
Oo. There's a contest for animals you can play.
Parang sabugan. Ano yun, sabog.
Sabong.
Pero, gitara lang.
There are
Sabong
cows that
ng
can play the
gitara.
bells. They're like,
Eh, may bell
Cows are
talaga
smart animals
dito,
too.
kaya they're born with it. Sanay na sila dyan.
Gandun kaya ng manok.
Huh?
Pwede mo igano ng to.
Oh.
Dude, you
Pero ano
should have been
yung
here when
gitara?
Nana was
Can you
here.
say when the whole house is like...
Yeah, we were like,
Pag yan, ma-search ko yung, search ko yan.
had
move.
so many
Ngayon na, kuha tayo ng
Like you can
internet.
I'm
buy
gonna do it. I don't care.
Kaya palabas.
And they guard the houses.
Kung may internet na ako ngayon, na-reality
You should have been here.
Labas na lang.
Guarding the houses.
Kaya okay no, kain ka muna.
you know how they get bigger chickens?
What? Oh,
You know the thing,
rooster?
thing, I don't know what's it called? The thing on the top of the head.
The red one?
If you cut it off, they're hurt at first, but if they eat it, they get bigger. Stronger.
It's like you cut it
Alam niya na, alam
and
niya na.
Kuya Nonong said also that it will get big and then more...
It's big. Sometimes it can
brave.
get big enough to guard the house, or like you can train it to guard your house. Because it could fly short distances, right? So if it gets on the roof and you see something attack it, and like shh.
She knows this already.
Oh, you guys told her already.
Bay, gutong ka ba?
But
Ano, boy?
no,
Gatas.
ostrich only.
Hindi, ostrich
Yun,
are
Bay, parang
fast
hindi
only.
kasi
They,
atin.
they bury their heads in the down. They don't guard houses.
May ka lang, bay.
They can
Yeah,
carry
they can carry you.
Bay.
Oh,
Bay ka
chickens.
lang, bay.
They're bigger.
What? When,
Ostriches can carry humans just as well as chickens.
it's like ostrich are 5 times bigger than chickens.
Oh, but ants.
Yan siya, Telis. Arap niya yun.
Oh, ants can lift 10 times their weight.
Oh, yeah.
So you,
Nakita mo yung
Huh?
manok,
It's 10
may
times.
gitara, no?
Yeah, that's true.
oh, maybe 100.
That's true.
Because that's how you see them. Like a single ant can carry like this giant
Manok na
piece of
may
like a
gitara.
chip or something like that.
That's true. But chickens.
We don't underestimate chickens.
Gugulat.
Like Young, he's small but he can play basketball well.
Because they look fragile.
Oh,
They're
Tanner
like,
looks-
you just do them.
May gitara.
Cases Tanner is a very big guy, but he can do like one-handed cartwheels.
Imo!
Saying.
Huwag mo muna, pakita mo muna kaya ganyan sa Facebook.
I'll search that.
Hindi na pabasa.
Chicken on New Year's
Kasi
Day.
tinry ko.
No, because it's like a part, like it's a really respected sacred animal.
Yeah.
I
It was the
wonder.
year of
May
the,
no-
year of the
Because
dragon, year of the rat,
May
year of the
manok na
chicken.
ako, may gitara, bay, no?
Yeah.
Bay. Bay, no?
What
Nakita
if
mo na
chicken
kayo,
nuggets?
What about them?
What about that?
Can you eat them on New Year's? No.
No, it's chicken.
Anything chicken.
Di ba, dito ba?
Not even eggs. Not even eggs.
Ito.
You know, they actually named a day of the week after the chicken. Friday.
What?
No, that was a joke. That was a joke.
What joke?
Doon siya sa green.
They name a day of the week after the chicken.
Hindi, doon ka sa green natin. ay.
Friday. That was a joke. That's not. That's not. My is that my bottle?
Friday.
Is that my bottle?
Bote.
Yung, saan to?
Yung ano?
Bote. Was it at the end of the table?
Di may. Yung ano? Bote?
Oo. Isa, oo. Na, okay lang. Sa'yo na.
Bagay kay Kuya Tanner yung ganyan niya na buhok ko.
Yo!
Bagay sa kanya. Kuya Tanner.
Lahat naman eh, kahit
Kuya,
kahit
your
walang
hair
buhok.
looks good on
Kahit
you.
walang buhok, si Kuya Tanner bagay.
You didn't comb it like that. You just... It's nice.
Thank you. Get it? I did.
Oh,
Alam
I
mo,
got it
yung
good.
chan ko parang bangin. Hindi siya napupuno.
My stomach hurts.
Kahit naman yung bangin, napupuno eh.
My stomach
Hindi kaya.
doesn't like me now.
Ito yan yung chan ko. Pag humulog, shoo! Hindi nabubusog.
Dito sa ano, sa college. Dito sa CR.
Gusto ko pa ng oatmeal.
Kain ka pa.
Tataba yung mukha ko.
Hindi nga.
Huh?
Hindi kaya. Hindi. Hmm? I'm gonna love you. All by myself. Thursday na kung bukas. Yun nga, Sabado ano na.
Yung mga Koreans kumain ganito. Ay, yung mga Japanese. Ganon.
Bay, tinawag na. Licks! Licks! Timay! Pagkatapos. Kahit pa ako yan. Kahit pa ako!
Oatmeal tayo.
No.
Kasi pag naubusan ako ng energy,
Oh, tubig.
ayaw ko.
Lagay mo sa oatmeal, oh. Ises, lagay mo sa oatmeal, gatas.
Wala na nga, oh.
Ito, lagay mo sa...
Ay, luya mo
luya.
yan. Oatmeal tayo.
Hindi akong good, man.
Tan, dapat may kasabay ako. No, kaya magkuha mag-isa.
Takas mo oatmeal, Ises.
Ha?
Kunin mo na lahat yung isang bag.
Oh, hindi kaya. Alam mo, nag-oatmeal ako dahil. Dalawang kutsara lang.
Yung kutsa, isang bag na kinuha mo, tinabi mo sa kwarto. Tingnan mo, may mo. Kuha ka na na.
Dalawang.
Kuha ka na na. Mga tatlong ano.
Dalawang ganito
Or-
lang.
Diyan na si Kuya, tanungin mo ulit.
Kita mo, yung mga manok. Di ba yung mga manok?
Sige ba, sige.
Yung mga manok, ano yun, sila yung pinaka-special kasi pag tumait tsaka umihi sila isang beses lang. Wala sila, kaya special sila. Tawag pala kayo. Kuya. Tanong mo na kay kuya. Nasasakyan ba yung manok, kuya?
Kaya ako.
Tignan mo, tatanungin ko niya. Kuya, patanong, paki-explain po kay Kisses yung pagsakay po sa manok.
Wag! Wag!
Tignan mo yung yung... Anong kamay mo? Basa?
Pangit lang yun!
Ha?